Zeigarnik Effect explained. Part 1. What is the Zeigarnik Effect? The Zeigarnik Effect is a psychological phenomenon that describes how people remember unfinished or interrupted tasks better than completed ones. Discovered by Bluma Zeigarnik, a Russian psychologist, in the 1920s, the effect was based on observations in a restaurant where waiters remembered orders only until they were fulfilled. This sparked an experiment in which participants were asked to complete a series of tasks, some of which were intentionally interrupted. Results revealed that participants were significantly more likely to recall the interrupted tasks. The theory behind this effect suggests that incomplete tasks create a state of tension in the brain, which acts as a cognitive reminder until the task is resolved. This tension keeps the unfinished task active in our memory, ensuring it remains accessible. Once the task is completed, the tension dissipates, leading to a decrease in recall strength. Part 2. Psychological mechanisms and applications. The Zeigarnik Effect is grounded in Gestalt psychology, which emphasizes the brain's innate drive to seek closure and maintain equilibrium. When a task is left incomplete, it disrupts this balance, and the mind continues to process it subconsciously. This phenomenon also ties into working memory, as the incomplete task occupies cognitive resources, keeping it at the forefront of awareness. Practical applications of the Zeigarnik Effect are vast. In productivity, it explains why breaking tasks into smaller steps can enhance focus and memory. In education, it supports the use of interruptions to encourage deeper engagement with study material. Marketing exploits this principle by creating cliffhanger in advertisements or TV shows, ensuring that the audience returns to resolve the narrative tension. For instance, cliffhanger in storytelling leave viewers eager to find out what happens next. Similarly, open loops in advertising campaigns, such as teasers, are designed to create curiosity and sustain interest until the message is fully delivered. Part 3. Implications and limitations. The Zeigarnik Effect has significant implications for goal setting and procrastination. People are more likely to resume tasks that they have already started due to the mental discomfort associated with leaving them incomplete. This principle can be leveraged to overcome procrastination by initiating a task, even minimally, to trigger the psychological pull of completion. However, the effect is not without limitations. Studies have found that emotional context and task complexity influence how strongly the effect manifests. For instance, if an interrupted task generates high stress or negative emotions, individuals may avoid revisiting it. Moreover, prolonged interruptions can diminish the effect, as competing tasks dilute the cognitive tension associated with the original one. Critics argue that the effect is not universally reliable, as factors like motivation, individual differences in working memory, and external distractions can impact its strength.